Walking every day is like giving your body a natural medicine. It keeps you fit, reduces stress, and makes you stronger. But have you ever wondered, how many steps do I actually walk in a day? Let's build a step counter app to track it and see how healthy our daily routine really is. MIT App Inventor is a simple, beginner-friendly tool created by MIT to design and code Android apps using drag-and-drop blocks. App Inventor has two main parts. The first is the designer, where you build the user interface of your app. This is where you drag and drop components like buttons, labels, images, and sensors onto your app screen. Think of it as designing how your app will look and feel. The second is the blocks editor, where you decide how the app will behave. Instead of writing long code, you use colorful puzzle-like blocks that snap together. This is where you create the logic. In the designer, I'll add 3 buttons: start, stop, and reset, and a label to show the step count. I'll also add the pedometer sensor, which is a non-visible component that tracks the number of steps you take. Next, in the blocks editor, I'll add logic. First, we'll program the start button. When the start button is clicked, it will call the pedometer to begin detecting steps. Next is the stop button. When we click stop, the pedometer will pause and stop counting new steps. Then comes the reset button. This button will reset everything back to 0, so our step counter starts fresh. And finally, we have the pedometer event itself. This runs automatically whenever a new step is detected. Each time it happens, the step count will increase and the label on our screen will update to show the latest number of steps. Now that our app design and coding are complete, let's test it on a real device using the MIT AI Companion. On your phone, download the MIT AI2 Companion app from the Play Store. Then, in App Inventor, click on Connect at the top and choose AI Companion. A QR code will appear. Open the Companion app on your phone, scan the QR code, and within a few seconds, your app will load directly on your device. Now let's test our app. On my phone, I'll tap the start button and walk a few steps. You can see the step count increasing on the screen. If I press the stop button, the pedometer pauses and no new steps are counted. And when I press the reset button, the counter goes back to 0, so I can start fresh. This confirms that our step counter app is working exactly as we planned. And that's how you can create your very own step counter app using MIT App Inventor. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our coding and app development course at MakersPlace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos